guys, we're live here in Bangkok, Thailand, in an awesome place called
Autowerks.
Please do the introduction. It's my good new friend.
Welcome, Greg, to Autowerks.
Thank you very much.
We're premier tuning house in Bangkok.
Awesome. So, is it okay if we have a look around, film something?
Sure, no problem.
Awesome. Thank you very much. DMC Live.
DMC Live.
So we're back here again with Andrew, and I just saw this awesome green monster. Can I say it like this?
Yeah.
What is this?
It is actually a 987 Cayman S. It's a club sport built by us. So the whole idea is lightweight, well balanced.
Stripped out a lot.
Yeah, we stripped out everything.
Wow.
Anything you don't need.
Engine's still
here.
here, yeah?
Engine's still there. That's like the part of it. But no airbags, no stereo. We left the AC though. Because you got to drive too.
And we're in Thailand, so
Yeah. So yeah, I'll show you around.
So wow, you took everything out, really.
Everything's out from the front. There's no soundproofing in the whole car.
Even the light is hanging down. Nice.
Well, originally when we got this car, it was actually midnight blue, so we repainted everything in the green.
Wow, even inside, everything, the whole chassis.
The whole chassis. So this is the 997 RS green.
Yes. Beautiful.
Yeah, the interior is also minimalistic. You see there's no heat shields or soundproofing.
And it's a manual?
Yeah, it came factory manual transmission. So that was...
What is this? This doesn't look standard. Or is this standard? We just normally just don't see it? What is
this? This is a CAE Ultra shifter.
Wow.
So it's probably the best shifting experience you can get in terms of short shifters.
Yeah.
It's kind of what makes it so enjoyable to drive actually in this car.
Who's using short shifters? Race drivers, or is this something special for?
No, it's just basically this shifting mechanism allows you to keep you in the H, so in the upper gears, without having a misshift if you're driving on track.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we deleted the airbags. We went with a simple Momo prototypo steering wheel.
Beautiful.
Recaro seats. I think the seat with the bracket weighs only 7 kilos. So
amazing.
We've reduced maybe 150 kilos.
You can take out one more seat. Let's have a look at the back.
The back is, stripped out. Most of the stuff that makes it go fast is really underneath. So it comes in the suspension setup and as well as the performance stuff that we have on the engine.
Would you say this project is something you typically do here at Autowerks?
It's what we love to do here at Autowerks. This is a passion-involved project that kind of defines what we do and how much we love it.
My first impression when I came to this place was, wow, somebody is doing something here with love. And now getting to see all these details is certainly, my first impression was right. You guys are really doing an awesome job. Hi guys, as usual, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please support me by hitting it with a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, kindly also help to subscribe to this channel. As usual, one more time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with more content, DMC Live.